Hey guys, so we'll take a look at a program to print n terms of the Fibonacci series using loops. So what is the Fibonacci series? The Fibonacci series is a set of numbers following 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, where if you do not take the 0th term and the first term, let's take the 0th term f0 is equal to 0 and the first term f1 is equal to 1. Forgetting these two terms, the remaining from the third term, when you look at it physically, from the third term onwards is a sum of the previous two terms. 1 is a sum of 1 and 0. 2 is a sum of 1 and 1. 3 is a sum of 1 and 2. 5 is a sum of 2 and 3. 8 is a sum of 3 and 5. So how do we write the Fibonacci series? So your Fibonacci series revolves around calculating the third value and then reassigning first and second, because we make it in this format such that if I will first take these three into concern. If I have a set of numbers, I'll take these three into concern. 0 becomes my first term, 1 becomes my second term, and I will calculate the third term as 0 plus 1. After that, what I will do is, I will shift these terms such that now these become my 3 terms, where 2 is being calculated as a sum of 1 and 1. And once that is over, I will shift this box to calculate these 3 terms. So this shifting takes place along with the addition. The first and second term gets shifted and then I will do the addition. So what I will do is, I will take two variables first and second and assign it to 0, 1 respectively initially. Now I need first n terms of the Fibonacci series. You can take the value of n from your user. Let's say n is equal to 7. Display the first 7 terms of the Fibonacci series. So you've already done 2 terms and you are starting counting from 0. Technically, some people do not write 0 in the Fibonacci series. Some do write, but that is my 0th term. I'm going to calculate 7th term. So my 7th term will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to get 13. So once I have allotted this, I will start my loop. Let's take a loop variable I, starting from 2, because I finished 0 term and first term. And then I put less than equal to 7 I plus plus. It's a normal loop. It does the counting for the number of terms. Let's generalize this to n. Okay. Now first what I have to do is, I have the very first term and the second term. So I will calculate the sum of the third term is equal to first plus second. So let's say f is equal to 0, s is equal to 1, and I've calculated term t is equal to 0 plus 1, which is 1. So 0, 1, 1 trio I have got. Now what should I do? I have to shift the values to one box forward, meaning the current term which was calculated should now become the new second term, and the existing second term should become the new first term. So there is always a confusion, which shifting should you do first. Second is going to be updated with the new third term that was calculated. So before that gets updated, shift the second to the first. Okay, first check what is being updated, and then if that value before being updated is necessary, do that operation first. So you can write a statement here for printing the term, the printing t value. Then I will first shift the second to the first. Assignment happens from right to left. So f is equal to s is written first. Then the new value that was calculated in this loop will be shifted to s. F is equal to s is equal to t. So now what happens is, f gets the value of 1 and s gets the value of 1. The loop goes on the next iteration and t is equal to f plus s, which is 2. So 0, after writing this f and s, you can write printf statements to print f and s here, and you printed t also initially. So 0 was over, 1 was over, and 1 is over. Now again you calculated 2 and you will print the value of that. So 2 is printed. Now again f is equal to s, so this takes the value of 1, s is equal to t, this takes the value of 2, and the loop goes on the next iteration. When the loop goes in the next iteration, t is equal to f plus s, that is 3, and you will print the value of 3. Again following, f gets the value of s, which is 2, s gets the value of t, which is 3, and the loop goes on the next iteration. So loop goes on the next iteration, t is equal to f plus s, which is 5. So this is this value will be 5. Now the loop goes on the next, now we have to allocate. So f gets the value of s, which is 3, s gets the value of t, which is 5, and the loop goes on the next iteration. So t is equal to f plus s, which is 8, and 8 is printed. Now f gets the value of 5, s gets the value of 8, loop goes on the next iteration. That time i's value will become more than 7, because we have already finished 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wait, there is one more element. So again 5 plus 8 is done, and t gets the value of 5 plus 8, and that is printed. Now f gets the value of 8, s gets the value of 13, and t and the next iteration I will become more than 7, and it stops there. So this is how do you print the Fibonacci series using loops. So coming to the coding part of printing in terms of the Fibonacci series using loops. Like we said, we need a variable int f for the first term, s for the second term, we need t for the third term, we need n for the number of terms. So initially I will be initializing the first term to 0 and the second term to 1. I'll go ahead and print those terms. So printf Fibonacci series is equal to, I'll print %d space %d space, and the first term is f, the second term is s. And I will be asking my user for the value of n. So printf enter n and scanf taken the value of n, %d ampersand n. Now since we've printed f is equal to 0 and s is equal to 1, now I need a loop variable. So I'll take the loop variable I and I'll be using it as for I is equal to 2. We have printed the 0th term and the first term already. Will start on the second term. I is equal to 2, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. What are we supposed to do? First calculate the third term. So t is equal to f plus s. Next print out the third term. So printf %d space and print out the third term. Now the second term will get updated to the third term which is calculated. So before that you should allocate the second term to f. So f is equal to s. After that update s is equal to t. So this should show the values of this Fibonacci series. Let's run it. Up till the fifth term should be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So 5, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So let's run it for the up till n is equal to 10. It has printed. Thank you.